What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a great day today. I am here with a pretty little thing haul and there are some good stuff in, you guys, my brain is not working today. There is some really good stuff that I'm so excited to show you guys, and I think we should just jump right into it because I have a lot to say, starting with this jacket. If I could be a jacket, I would be this one. I love that the racer jackets have become a trend, and I saw this pink one and I'm like, okay, I have to style it. The front of it is just so cute. I love how it has the two different colors going across. There's like the stripes on the sleeve, and then it has the closure here and on the bottom, so it's like cropped. I styled this in a recent reel and I did it with like these really cool glasses and jeans and with like a slicked back bun. This outfit is so fire. The fabric is not crazy thick, so which I like because I would be dying of heat right now if it was, but it's like a thinner fabric, so you can wear it just like on a chilly day. I would not suggest getting this as like a winter jacket. This is definitely more so just like I'm a cool girl jacket. But there's a zipper also that goes down the front. You could wear this open, you could wear it closed, and it's safe to say this is my favorite item because it's pink and just like so cute in general. Okay, you guys, I'm having some trouble doing this, so I'm only gonna do 2 buttons. But I have this really cute vest. I have been wanting to get a vest like this for a while just because I feel like they look super chic. They're also really comfortable, just like a cotton type of fabric, and this color is really fun. I feel like it goes well with my eyes, so I like this blue color. And imagine this with like, I just had like a whole vision for an outfit with like some white jeans. That would be such a cute outfit, and I kind of want to buy some white jeans because I don't own any white jeans. I think just out of the fear of constantly like spilling something on them, but I think I'm gonna buy some so I can style it, so I can make my vision come to life. It does come with an extra little button in case one of them pops off. A little bit cropped, but not like crazy long, so I'm excited to style this and see what I can do with it. Okay, so then we have this dress, which I saw it and was like, I feel like I need to go to a wedding in Europe. If this was at like a Lake Como wedding, like, oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? It has the rose applications on like the high hip, and then from there it has these ruffles that go down the side. I will say there is a very big slit on the side of this dress, and you would want to wear like high-waisted black bottoms to really make sure everything's covered, because like if it opens up, like you can fully see underneath it. So even like a pair of black high-waisted swimsuit bottoms would probably work. The top is strapless and it has this like rubbery material on the inside, so it doesn't like keep rolling down. But I just love the rose details on the dress. I feel like it really kind of makes it unique, and just like the style of the dress, the ruffles, I feel like it's just so chic and so classic and would make a great wedding guest dress. Okay, so now we have this really cute swimsuit, which I'm probably gonna style as a bodysuit. Again, like the rose details are such a trend right now and I'm such a fan. I feel like it's really cute to add them to like your pieces of clothing. The bottom ones, it has this little twist, which I feel like is a really cute detail to add. There's also 2 straps, so you could tie it around your neck, or if you don't really want them, you could just tuck it and have it as a strapless swimsuit. So you could wear it as a swimsuit, you could style it with some jeans, it would look really cute with some black shorts. I just think this is really cute and versatile, and you could style this a ton of different ways. Oh my gosh, there's only one thing left. I hate that these are over so fast. Okay, this one I'm really excited about. I want to go to a sporting event because I live in LA and I feel like this would be styled really cute. But it's this bomber jacket that says Los Angeles on it. So I don't know if I need to go to like I feel like this would be way too hot at a Dodgers game, so maybe I'll go to a Rams game and wear this. But I just see this with like some high-waisted shorts, a cropped white tank top or a white tee, and some sneakers. Like, oh my gosh, it's just giving such cool girl vibes. I really want to wear this ASAP. I got this in extra large because I wanted it to be super oversized. But if you want a more fitted look, I would just go true to size. But I love the collar. I love the font of the Los Angeles. And then there is snaps that you can do if you want to keep it closed. But I just think this jacket is so cool. It has pockets as well. Pockets are always a plus. The back is just plain. And I just think it's a really cool jacket all around. I love a good oversized bomber jacket. So I need to go buy some tickets to a sporting event. I'm so excited fall is coming. It's like football season's gonna be starting up so soon. So I think I'm gonna wear this to a Rams game and like look super cute. Okay, you guys, that is it for this haul today. I know, I'm so sad it's over too. You guys should comment down below and tell me what your favorite piece is. I've been doing this at the end of all my hauls where I'm trying to pick my favorite piece, and I think this one or the last jacket I showed is my favorite from this haul, but I'm obsessed with everything, so it really is just hard to pick. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also hit the bell button so you get a notification every time that I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your support genuinely means so much to me, and I'm so happy to have you here, and I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye!